Making viral videos is now very easy by the use of AI. Take a look at these samples.
I'm Pineapple Pal. I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing. I'm Car Toy. I help kids learn, spark imagination, and make playtime fun.
I'm Puppy Pop. I protect your home, reduce stress, and love you forever.
Hi, I'm Apple Buddy. I boost your energy, help digestion, and keep you healthy. I'm Brainy Buddy. I control your thoughts, memories, and decisions. I'm Hammer Champ. I build homes, fix broken things, and get work done.
I'm Broomy. I remove dirt, keep homes clean, and fight germs.
Now you can create 3D fun contents within seconds. And what makes it more engaging is their funny looks and talking ability. Welcome to Queen AI Lab. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
So now for us to start, the first thing we need is our prompts. And I have organized the prompt for you. I've dropped it right there in the comment section and on the description box. So when you pick the prompt to take it to ChatGPT, drop it on a ChatGPT, ChatGPT will be able to list the prompt like this, the way they list it for me. Then you can decide to change it, make some changes to your prompt before you generate. So when we copy our prompt from ChatGPT, the next thing to do is to go over to Grok AI. Now over here on Grok AI, remember you need to click on imaging and it will bring you to this place or to this environment where you will now drop in your prompt that you copy from ChatGPT. This is prompt I copied. You can see it has image. Are you generating image or you are generating a video? So we are generating video direct because we are using text to video direct. So I choose the video side and I hit generate. As it's generating, the good thing about this type of viral content is that you can generate different types, different styles, and different motions at the same time while adding dialogues to them, because the dialogue you add, the emotions you add will make your content to go viral very fast. Now you can see this one. This particular one is pineapple that I generated. Okay, you can see when kids see this pineapple, even an adult see something like this, they feel love. They love it. They would like to watch it. That's why it makes your content go viral very fast. So now let's listen to what the pineapple says.
I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing. I'm Pineapple Pal. I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing.
So when you have gotten this way, the next thing to do is to download your content by touching it here to download it. So now that we have downloaded this one, let's copy another one of a toy vehicle. Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. Here in my ChatGPT, this one is for toy. I copy this particular one. Then I'll go back to Grok AI. Over here in Grok AI, I simply remove this old prompt here, and then I drop the new one. This is the new one for the vehicle. Then we hit generate again. So now after you have generated all your contents, the next simple thing you need to do is to move them over to any video editing type of your choice. Either it could be CapCut, it could be any other one of your choice. We're using CapCut to combine everything together after these generations.
I'm Car Toy. I help kids learn, spark imagination, and make playtime fun.
You can see how fun this one is as well. You know, people love watching things like this, especially kids, even adults too. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this content that I just showed you. And please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to support us and also share it so that more people will get to know about it. This is Queen AI Lab. Love you for engaging with us. So now right here in your CapCut, what you need to do here, you can click on the new video. Then you can see all the content. You pick them one after the other. You can pick them as many as you want to add, but don't let it to be too much so that the retention will not drop. Just pick few of them. Look at them here in the CapCut. Then you can choose your aspect ratio from here. You choose 9:16 for short content. Then you can zoom it out like this. Each of them, you can zoom them out because Grok formats sometimes might not lap very well, okay? Then you can zoom them. You can see they are now perfectly well. So let's listen to our content.
I'm Pineapple Pal. I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing.
You can as well decide to add captions, because when you add caption, it helps retention of your content. So what we'll do now is to add caption. Let's come over here and pick captions. You can use auto captions. So let's say we pick this particular one here. We hit generate. So now our caption is ready. So the next thing we can do as well here is to add a style to the captions. Let's add a style. Let's say I pick this particular one.
Pineapple Pal.
Then I accept
I'm
it.
Pineapple Pal. I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing. I'm Cartoy.
You can see that now. Every one of them are coming out perfectly well and lovely. You can as well decide to add kids playing sound in the background. Okay, you can choose to do that. You can see come over right here in the CapCut. You can see pick a sound in the CapCut and write fun kids sound. Touch on the sound. Then you can just write search for kids sound. You can see many of them come out. Let's look for this one here. Well, I think I love this one already. So I love this one already. So what we need to do is to click plus sign here. You can see that it's coming down to your content. So you have just to scroll down and see if the content, you can see is more than, if it's more than what you want, for simply cut it out by splitting it here and click delete. So let's listen to the final sound now.
I'm Pineapple Pal. I boost digestion, support immunity, and taste amazing. I'm Cartoy. I help kids learn, spark imagination, and make playtime fun.
When you are done, you just come to export here and export your content, and everything will be ready for you to publish it in any of the social media you want, be it on YouTube, in Instagram, on Facebook Reels, on X, anywhere at all. Okay, so see you again in the next one. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this viral content that I show you today. Love you, and thank you for engaging with us. Bye for now.